Hi, I'm John Shaw with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty. The Ozarks team is proud to present this beautiful 4-bedroom ranch located in prestigious Big Creek. It's right next to the Championship Golf Course and the Country Club. It's a lovely place to live and it's a beautiful home. My partner Heather Hendricks is going to show us around. Let's take a look.
You have a nice sized living room with a gas fireplace, and you have a really nice sized formal dining room that you can put a large table in. Over here in the living room, you have nice tray ceilings, plenty of room for family and guests, and here's that nice fireplace. From the living room, you have access to the kitchen and the breakfast area, and you can also go outside to the covered patio. All of the appliances are staying in the kitchen. You have plenty of countertops, nice cabinets with plenty of room, the dishwasher, electric range, oven, microwave, refrigerator all staying. And from here you can go off into the utility room. On this side of the home you have the master bedroom. Once again, you have large tray ceilings and a gas fireplace. In the master bathroom, you have a separate tub and shower combo and a nice sized walk-in closet. Double sinks, plenty of counter space, nice jacuzzi tub, and you have heated floors. What a luxury. And over here on this side, we have 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. Come on over here and check it out. Let's check out bedroom number 1 over here. You have a really nice sized room with 2 closets. You have plenty of space, especially for overnight guests. Let's go check out the bathroom. You have double sinks, nice size vanity, and a shower tub combo. And I like combos just because it's easy for the kids or if you have pets. Let's check out bedroom 2. This makes a great nursery, or you could use it as your office. It also has a really nice size walk-in closet. Cool. Let's go check out the 3rd bedroom on this side. Down the hallway, you have 2 nice sized closets. And there's no doubt about it, there's lots of storage. Another nice sized 3rd bedroom with a walk-in closet. Perfect for teenagers.
In back, there's a spacious covered patio, perfect for grilling or entertaining. To find out more about this beautiful home or to schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com. On Google or Facebook, search for the Ozarks team. The Ozarks team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.